Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful Canva trick, how to merge or group multiple items together so they move and resize as one. If you've ever been frustrated trying to keep text, icons, and images lined up while designing, this tutorial is going to make your workflow much easier. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to group elements in Canva, manage them more efficiently, and keep your layouts organized while designing. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva and log into your account. You can use Canva directly in your browser or through the desktop or mobile app. The process works almost the same everywhere. Once you're on the home page, click the Create a Design button near the top right corner. For this example, let's choose Custom Size. We'll use a simple practice canvas of 100 by 50 pixels, but you can use whatever size works best for your actual project. Click Create New Design, and Canva will open a blank workspace. Now let's add a few items to the canvas so we can practice grouping them together. Start by clicking the Text tab on the left side. Add a heading or small text box and type anything you want, maybe your name, a title, or a quick phrase. Next, head over to the Elements tab and add a few shapes, icons, or graphics onto the page. You can drag in circles, arrows, lines, logos, or decorative elements. Don't worry too much about making it look perfect right now. The goal is simply to have multiple objects on the screen. Once you've added several items, arrange them however you like. Now comes the important part, selecting multiple elements at the same time. There are two easy ways to do this. The first method is clicking and dragging your mouse around the items to create a selection box. The second method is holding the Shift key while clicking each item individually. As you select items, you'll notice Canva highlights them one by one. Once everything is selected, look toward the top toolbar for the Group button. Click it. And just like that, Canva combines all the selected items into one grouped object. Now, when you click and drag any part of the design, everything moves together instead of separately. This is incredibly useful for logos, social media graphics, presentations, flyers, and basically any project with multiple design elements. You can also resize the entire group at once, which helps keep proportions and spacing consistent. Think of grouping like placing all your selected pieces into an invisible container. Everything stays organized and locked together while still remaining editable later. And speaking of editing, if you ever want to separate the items again, simply click the grouped object and choose Ungroup from the toolbar. That allows you to move or edit each individual piece separately again. Another helpful tip is that grouping works great alongside Canva's alignment tools, so after grouping your elements, you can center the entire design or align it more easily on the page. This saves a ton of time compared to adjusting every item one at a time. If you work on social media posts, presentations, or branded content regularly, mastering grouping is one of those small Canva skills that makes a surprisingly big difference. Once you start using it, you'll probably use it in almost every project. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to merge or group multiple items together in Canva so your designs become cleaner, faster, and easier to manage. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below with any Canva questions you'd like covered next, and subscribe for more easy design tutorials and creative tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.